Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you the reasons why he rejected you. But I want to let you know that when a real man loves, he loves with all his heart. When a man loves you, I mean a disciplined, responsible man, when he loves you, he loves for real. But when he rejected you, there will be a reason why he did so. So what could be that reason? In today's video, that is what I am going to share with you. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, dating, and relationship advice for men and women. If you are looking for videos like this or other related videos, please make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. What can really make a man to reject you? Maybe you are beautiful, attractive, you show concern over him, you show signs that you have interest on him. Maybe you are playing to show him how much you have affection towards him, but he do snubs you, he rejects you. There might be reasons, because once a man realizes that you love him, he will welcome you with his own signs, and he will take you up and choose you as his woman. But when he sees all these signs and still maintain that rejection, and still maintain that he don't want you, there is a powerful reason why he is doing so. What could that reason be? That is what I am going to share with you, and you stop doing it to avoid any man that is around you. Maybe that person wants you, but with these reasons might make him not to catch or to come to you. So what are the reasons? Number one, when a woman has too many male friends, it discourages men, or it can make a man to turn off from you. When you have too many male friends, because a man that loves you will be jealous. A man that loves you will not like to see you with a male friend due to the rate and the intensity of love he has for you. So when you have too many male friends, it will make a man to turn you off or to feel less concern over you. He might see your signs, he might see your body language that you have so much interest on him, but due to too many male friends you are keeping or that do come around you, can discourage him. So for you to catch up or for you to get his attention towards you, avoid too many male friends. Once you can be able to avoid too many male friends, you can easily get any man of your choice. You can easily attract a man you want. So too many male friends discourage men, especially a man that loves you. Too many male friends discourage responsible men who are interested on you. So avoid too many male friends, because you never know who has interest on you. Number two is when you are too needy. Every time, buy this, buy that, get me this, get me that. Men hate women that do or express all this character. When you are too needy, men hate it so much. But when you can be able to show a man that you are an independent woman. You can provide for yourself. You can fend for yourself. Men love such a woman. So avoid being too needy when you are with a man or when you are trying to catch his attention. Once you avoid being too needy when you are trying to catch his attention, you will get him. But expressing the level of your extravagancy, too much demand, insatiable, it discourages men over a woman, and it can make a man to reject you. So avoid being too needy to attract any man of your choice. Number 3 reason that will make a man to reject you is when you are too logical. Men hate women that are too logical. Every time you want every argument to be in your own favor. You want to be a winner. You want to show that you are too wise, or you are knowledge, or you are a learned somebody. When you are too logical, it discourages the attention of men. When you are too logical, it despises or it makes men to put distance between you and him, or it makes men, it creates distance between you and a man. That's just a simple explanation. Being logical makes you tedious or hard to get for any man that observes you or that sees you. Once a man sees or observes that you are too logical, he will definitely run away and will give you a distance. No matter the level of body language you are showing or signs, commitment you are trying to show, or to show him that you have interest on him. Once a man finds out that you are too logical, he will definitely give you a distance. He will definitely reject you, because men don't like women that are always logical. Men don't like women or a woman who shows that she is learned or she can prove herself right in any issues or in any problems. Try to be soft. Try to show that you are a soft woman, especially once a man realizes that you are very soft. He will love you. He will like to date or flirt you. Not even date or flirting. Once a man realizes that you are a soft woman, you don't make too much arguments, you don't quarrel, that man will propose and get married to you, because that is exactly what men are looking for. So avoid being logical to get the kind of man you want. Logic despises men. If you are a woman, avoid being logical. Logic makes men to turn off their attention or their feelings towards a woman. Don't show that you are very wise. Don't prove yourself that, or you tell the people that you are learned. So avoid being logic to attract every man, and logic makes men to give distance to a woman that loves them. I hope you do like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. But before I stop this video for today, please put down your comments in the comment section below. Just comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what is in your mind towards this video. If you got value from this video, put it down in the comment section and tell me what you gain or what you understand from this video. And like, share this video to your friends and family. Let me know what they think, or let me know how you like this video. I will appreciate it if you do subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.